make an accompaniment to the milk rice. This is called lunumiris, Sri Lankan lunumiris. Sri Lankan food, they are the spiciest food in the world. Sri Lankan food is
and
really
I don't
spicy.
Like
So we are going to make the lunumiris. It's very spicy. You can adjust the spiciness and the spice levels to the way you like it. So this is 1 finely chopped onion, chili flakes. This is 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, but if it is too hot and spicy, we can reduce the amount. This is lemon juice. It's 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of that salt, and 3 green chilies. We can use any kind of chilies that we like and any amount according to the preference and the spiciness that we like. So we're gonna go ahead and grind this together, and we'll be right back. We're back. So we grinded the onion sambol, the lunumiris. This is my way of making the lunumiris. This is Sri Lankan lunumiris, which can accompany the coconut milk rice. So when we grinded it, we included 1 more teaspoon of lemon juice. So the total lemon juice that we used for this sambal is we used 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. This is the lunumiris.